How to write DataFrame to Postgres table. There is DataFrame.to_SQL method, but it works only for MySQL, SQLite, and Oracle databases. I can't pass to this method Postgres connection or sqlalchemy engine.
Starting from pandas 0.14, released end of May 2014, PostgresQL is supported. The SQL module now uses sqlalchemy to support different database flavors. You can pass a sqlalchemy engine for a PostgresQL database, see docs. You are correct that in pandas up to version 0.13.1 PostgresQL was not supported. If you need to use an older version of pandas, here is a patched version of pandas.io.sql. This URL. I wrote this a time ago, so cannot fully guarantee that it always works, but the basis should be there. If you put that file in your working directory and import it, then you should be able to do, where con is a PostgresQL connection.
Faster option. The following code will copy your pandas df to Postgres DB much faster than df.to_SQL method, and you won't need any intermediate CSV file to store the df. Create an engine based on your DB specifications. Create a table in your Postgres DB that has equal number of columns as the DataFrame df. Data in df will get inserted in your Postgres table. If you want to replace the table, we can replace it with normal to_SQL method using headers from our df and then load the entire big time consuming df into DB.
This is how I did it. It may be faster because it is using execute_batch.
Pandas 0.24.0 Plus solution. In Pandas 0.24.0 a new feature was introduced specifically designed for fast writes to Postgres. You can learn more about it here, this URL.